Hello everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how we can create Chrome extension with the help of AI. So here we go. So I'm going to show you my extension that I created. Okay, as you can see here, whenever I open any website, like suppose ChatGPT or other website, so one pack will appear here like this. Okay, and that will move around my screen. Okay, now whenever I click on that pack, okay, you can see, let's click on it, and you will see you fed the pack and you're doing great. Stay consistent. Like you will get one motivated message also, and you can do whatever you want to do in your screen, but all these path will appear all the time in your screen. You can do one thing like you can appear this for one time also. You can do a lot more things. So that extension we created using the chat GPT, and I'm going to show you a step by step how you can create your own extension. So here we go. So I'm going to just remove that extension from here, and now here I'm going to show you how you can create your own. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to just open the chat GPT and just say here, I need to create a Chrome path extension. That path will move around my screen when I click on that path without any error. We need to just wait some seconds, and that will give us the structure. So first of all, as you can see here, we need to add all these files. Okay, so first of all, I need to create a folder. As you can see here, this Chrome extension. So I'm going to just copy this, okay, here like this, and I'm going to just create a folder. So first of all, I'm going to open desktop, and in that desktop, I'm going to just create one folder. Okay, Chrome path extension. I'm going to open the VS Code now, and I'm going to open that blank folder over there. Now we have the folder. Now we need to create files. Okay, so as you can see, manifest.json we need to create. So let's create all these files first. Okay, just copy the file name, go to AS Code, click on new file, text file, use Control S or Command S, save that file with manifest.json, this one, and save it. Done. Now we need to create a background.js file. Just copy that name, Command N, new, Command S, save background.js. We have second file. We need to create third file, content.js. Again, go to the VS Code, Control N, Control S, or Command S, and then content.js, your file name, and just save this. Now we have three files. Now we need to create popup.html. So just copy this name, just use the Control N, then again, just save the file. So now we need to create, we have created four files. Now style.css we need to create. Okay. Now we need a icon.png. So you can add any icon. So I'm going to use here one image here. Okay. So I have that icon.png. I'm going to just copy this. You can get it from the Google. Okay. And I'm going to paste that file icon.png in my folder here. Okay. As you can see, pat.js we need to create. So just go again here. Use again new pat.js. Just created one more file. And last file is codes.json. So just use another file and just codes.json. Now we have the all file structure. Now I need a just simple code. Okay. Now, manifest.json, just copy that code, go to the file, and just paste it. Save it. Then again, scroll down and you will see the content.js. Copy this, content.js, go to here, and just paste that code and just save it. Then scroll down. Then as you can see, the style.css, just copy this, and you will see here, just paste it and just save it. Now scroll down, pop-up, then popup.html, where is that? This one, just paste it and just save it. Then again scroll, as you can see here, background.js, copy this, go to the background.js, paste it and save it. Now go here, codes.json, just copy this, codes here, just paste it and save it. Now, how we can use it? So first of all, as you can see here, we have created all files, we have all code, and we have that folder. Now go to the Chrome extension. As you can see here, this is the icon of extension. Click on manage extension. Now wherever you open the manage extension, you will see the developer mode. Make sure that should be enabled like this, and click on the load unpacked. Click on it. Now you need to select the folder. So go to the desktop. As you can see, Chrome path extension. This is the folder to select, and click on select. And as you can see here, this is done. Now what I'm going to do here, I'm going to just click on details, and as you can see here, motivational path. Okay. So I'm going to just click on that extension and just make it pink. That's it. The ChatGPT, and let's see how this extension work. Wait some seconds. Yeah, that will appear like this. Oh, amazing. that is a zoom effect also. See? Wow. Let's click on that pack. You can see, wow, progress, not perfection, keep it at. That's really amazing. I'm going to give you all the file of that extension in the description also, so you can use it. So if you have any doubt, you can ask me in comment. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye-bye.